While you're busy minding your own business, not thinking about what's going on beyond your world, we're here to show you modern agricultural machines that are on another level. They make the process of growing, harvesting, and processing crops so satisfying that it becomes impossible to look away. Watch this video till the end and you'll be shocked at how technology is changing our lives. This impressively tuned mechanism is used to harvest a whole field of carrots. By using a special paper conveyor to plant seedlings, farmers can sow a field at the speed of light. Now all you need is a single compact machine to transport, package, and stack hay bales. With the help of a 255-centimeter spade, uprooting a massive tree can now be done in seconds. And here's another machine that can dig up a tree by the roots. There are three things that you never get tired of seeing: lunch from your mom, missed calls from your ex, and this level of agricultural performance. And this blueberry harvesting machine certainly performs at the highest level. But people aren't planning to give up the field entirely. The driver of this agricultural machine is living out his childhood dream with his very own transformer. Think about how much energy farmers save by using this path joiner when planting. Now watch this rig extract and process logs instantaneously. When you see people in a commercial collecting perfect tea leaves by hand, don't forget about the machine that's really doing all the hard work. I've never seen a more satisfying way to water than this. This drill can create the perfect ditch in a single pass, even in swampy or frozen ground. A fully automated cultivator would become an indispensable assistant for any farmer. To ensure your Christmas tree looks perfect, it is carefully packed before shipping, keeping all the branches intact. This device simplifies the process of collecting coconuts, allowing a person to safely climb 5-meter palm trees. While directors are making movies about artificial intelligence, these smart garden drones are already working with us. Check out this powerful stump remover doing its job. Now, thanks to a small, transportable device, all calves can be fed at the same time in their pasture. With a tree trimmer like this, you could even venture into the wilds of the jungle. This powerful colossus collects and immediately packs cotton to be transported over long distances. To make corn sticky, it gets crushed together with leaves and immediately turned into ready-to-eat pellets. This device enables a team of just 2 people to collect over 300 kilograms of fruit in one pass. And here's how easy it is to pick up juicy Spanish oranges in the middle of the city. With a spray cannon like this, no farmer ever has to fear a drought again. All you need is a driller like this to quickly plant 100 trees. Even though this thing looks like a car wash brush, it's actually really good at picking apples. When the excavator handles water plants better than I can handle noodles. A machine with 2 counter-rotating augers in front helps this farmer harvest corn gently and quickly. Here's a real Tetris game made of hay. Watch how this flamethrower rig quickly and effectively clears fields of pests, weeds, and crop leftovers. And here's how it's done with a torch. This conveyor belt ride is the most exciting moment in a watermelon's life before it arrives at your table. I thought I was immune to hypnosis, but these 11 disco rakes totally hooked me. Check out this tractor with 2 wheel levels designed specifically for working with tall plants. This is the device that starts the winemaking process. Today, this robotic system does an excellent job of assessing the quality and maturity of fruits and vegetables. Aerial irrigation means that even oddly shaped and hard-to-reach fields can get the water they need. This self-driving snowblower can effortlessly clear 10 kilometers of snow off the roads in an hour. Now you know who makes those perfect rectangular hay bales. Who would have thought that peeling corn could be so simple? And making your favorite corn puffs straight from the cob is even easier. Right now, this harvester's collecting thousands of pumpkins so everyone can pick one out for Halloween. And here's how they dispose of unusable pumpkins using huge spikes. This mini farm's processes are all fully automated, and just look at what can be grown. Thanks to precise vibrations, this machine doesn't leave a single apple on the tree. Check out this mobile workshop that can process 70 tons of salad per hour. This enormous machine uses its hands to dig a trench even when the ground is full of rocks and roots. This machine can milk 2,000 goats an hour, and the animals quickly get into position on their own, which speaks to how good it is. These machines create perfect garden beds. It's hard not to see the cuteness of these robots working perfectly in sync. Look at this funny rice express. This device for pumping water into irrigation ditches seems like a cool new invention, but it actually dates back to 234 BC. Robot Spot now works as a shepherd dog, and now the animals under its protection have nothing to fear. Check out this other way to harvest tea, this time with a container-type machine. This harvester is the only way I would gather firewood for winter. After using this diamond-shaped frame to process a field, it's almost unrecognizable. The parallel rotating discs lift the grain off the ground and transport it directly into the bag. It turns out that rice can be harvested into sheaves using a combine. Oh, and here's the smaller version that works without an operator. A special machine irrigates vineyards from below, providing uniform and effective plant protection. This loader collects bales that weigh 400 kilograms each, as if it were juggling them. Check out what fast food means in the agriculture world. Check out this powerful machine that can restore a field's irrigation system with just one pass. And here, you can see the process of harvesting potatoes for the French fries you love so much. This machine is the fastest way to safely transport your chickens to their new home. And here's how these people feed fish using a banana tree chopper. With the advent of this huge vacuum cleaner, the streets will soon be pristinely clean. Just look at this giant spool for watering fields. Here's how tons of cotton get transported for processing. I think this amazing plant watering tunnel is where we should stop today. It's easy to agree that modern technologies not only save farmers time and effort, but they also give us the opportunity to enjoy the fine-tuned work of machines. If you'd like to see more, be sure to leave a comment saying #IWantPart2, and we'll definitely make another video for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.